starting after Labor Day. So there we go. Summer is winding down, but summer thunderstorms will be firing up again today. You see some of the rain right on the west shore of Lake Michigan, that 94 corridor out of Chicago to Milwaukee. You have some rain right now. Those upper disturbances, though, are diving to the south along with that just enough dip in the jet stream to allow that to happen. At the surface, a cold front's going to try and move through, but out ahead of it, you have all you need to fire up some showers and thunderstorms. The moisture, even the warmth, and of course, that lift. That front will be moving off to the east, so cities like Madison seeing it first and eventually pushing into Pittsburgh. So today, heads up from Duluth on into Minneapolis, even Chicago. Some of those storms will be knocking on your door, and then by tomorrow, moving into cities like Pittsburgh and State College down towards Roanoke, even D.C. back in the stormy picture, along with parts of New England and interior Northeast. As we get into Saturday, now taking over much of the Northeast into the Mid-Atlantic. Not a complete washout, kind of want to stress that along the I-95 corridor, but heads up if you're doing any camping from the Catskills, Tug Hill Plateau, the Adirondacks, you could be seeing a little bit more coverage with those showers and storms. So Chicago, today is the day. Today and tonight, showers and storms possible, so just heads up. Check the radar before you leave for work and kind of gauge how long your evening commute's going to be. And then by Friday, tomorrow, some of that sunshine, really comfortable temperatures into the 70s. And then Buffalo here, you have your timing Friday night into Saturday. And then by Saturday night, fair skies, temperatures going from the 60s, I should say the 70s as high temperatures to overnight low temperatures down into the 60s. So we are looking at least first half of the weekend in parts of the Northeast on the stormy side. Of about half an hour right now and may not get much better because the rain is still in there. We'll talk about some of the totals, incredible totals they've gotten already today. Part of the problem here is this wave that we've been sort of keeping an eye on. You know, whenever something like this gets pretty close to Florida this time of year, we definitely pay attention, and it looks like enough to bring some of that tropical moisture onshore, and we see the flare-up of the showers and thunderstorms right now. Overall, though, National Hurricane Center saying 10% chance of further development, so not much chance, but the idea is that it is tapping into some rich moisture, and that is all coming into South Florida right now, but obviously we'll keep an eye on it. A look at the visible satellite picture, and you can definitely tell something's going on. You see the bubbling up of the big tall clouds, the showers and the thunderstorms, and we're tracking them right now. I was talking about I-95, but look at how that rain is just sitting there. Some of the rainfall totals just since midnight, actually just over the last couple of hours, impressive. You have Fort Lauderdale, some of that heavy rain coming right over the airport right now. Visibility's down to less than a quarter mile, but look at this number, 1.96 inches of rainfall since midnight. And really almost about half an inch of that has come within the last half hour or so. So this is definitely coming down in buckets at this point, and you can see that how that could affect air travel in the area. So we'll keep an eye on that, but right now it is just this spot across southeastern Florida seeing the rain. The rest of the state pretty dry right now. Not going to stay that way. We have, again, that flow of tropical moisture, so all the way up to the Space Coast, count on showers and thunderstorms, even through central Florida, but really Alligator Alley up towards Naples and Fort Myers. Showers and thunderstorms, again, heavy at times, so watch for that flash flooding today. Could be tough to be out and about. Taking a look at all that rainfall as we get in through tomorrow, we've already seen almost 2 inches of rainfall in Fort Lauderdale, easily another inch or two.